Unit 131 QRP.
1-3 Division Germany, very low, sorry, over.
Roger, Jean Claude, this is 1-3 Lima Radio 131.
Please repeat one more time.
1-3 Lima Radio 131. I repeat, 1-3 Lima Radio 131.
Okay, 1-3 Lima Radio 131, 5x3, 5x3, little QS Baker in the log, QSL.
Many thanks, Jean Claude. The site is Rainer, like Romeo Alpha India, November Echo Romeo. Rainer with the walkie-talkie radio, QRP radio here. Hello, Jean Claude, you're 5 and 7, 5 and 9. Back to you.
Okay, Rainer, you are portable, you are QRP station, or?
Yes, that's correct, 100% correct. I make a video, the video gate is open, and I'm with the walkie-talkie radio, handheld QRP radio here. Many thanks for in the log, and can you repeat your full call sign, Jean Claude? 73.
Okay, 73, René, contact for contact. Bye-bye from France, bye-bye from René, bye-bye.
73, good luck, many thanks. Bye. That's mine. Jean Claude again, 014. Oh, strong QSP. Oh, 5 and 7. 5 and 9. That's nice. Nice location. Stör River, northern part of Germany. Nice boat.
Radio and radio amateur, 20 Yankee. 73, bye-bye. All information via cluster takes, bye-bye. QRZ, please, QRZ, 1-4, Delta, separation, Kilo, Foxtrot, 20 Yankee.
Strong windy, cloudy, 20 centigrade. Stör River, northern part of Germany. Very nice. So, gentlemen, 73, good luck.